Hello, and welcome back to Ask Your Pain Doc. In this channel, we talk about traditional and alternative treatments for pain. Today, we're going to discuss subacromial bursitis, or inflammation of bursa over the side of your shoulder. Stay tuned till the end of this video, as I'm going to show you some simple exercises that can help with bursitis pain. Please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing. Make sure you turn on notification so you get notified when there's a new video. Subacromial bursitis is a common cause of shoulder pain. It results from inflammation of the bursa, which is a sac of tissue located on the side of your shoulder, right there. It is usually brought about repetitive activities or trauma. Subacromial bursitis symptoms can include tenderness, swelling, reduced range of motion, and weakness in the shoulder. Minor pain may be present even when the shoulder is at rest. Sudden sharp pain may be felt when the arm is in use. Subacromial impingement syndrome refers to the inflammation and irritation of the shoulder tendons or rotator cuff tendons as they pass through the subacromial space. This can result in pain, weakness, reduced range of motion within the shoulder. Repetitive overhead activities, direct trauma, crystal depositions or gout, infection, and autoimmune disease like rheumatoid arthritis. Rest. You'll need to take a break from all activities or movement that can cause your pain. Over-the-counter pain medication, including ibuprofen, naproxen, or aspirin, can ease swelling and soreness. A cold pack on your shoulder will reduce swelling. Try about 10 to 15 minutes once or twice a day. Subacromial bursa steroid injection is the process of injecting small amount of local anesthetics and steroid into the bursa sac. A lateral approach with ultrasounds is commonly used to do this injection. Physical therapy can also help you with your bursitis pain. I can show you some simple exercises that can help you with this. Let's watch it. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Turn on notifications so you get notified when the new video is on, and stay tuned for next video.